Hello guys, this is your quest, an oldies but goodies song by Mr. Tom Jones. That's wonderful sound. Rock on, hashtag
Happy Boys, the new generation. Song is dedicated to Jonathan Taguldulan in Kalapan, Kabasalan sa Bongga Sugay. The song is for you. I know you like it.
As I write this
Pag mo ko
letter,
tawanan, Junel, first time ko ito kantahin.
my heart's beating much too fast for my pain.
Alam kaya ko nito.
Soon I'll be in your arms again.
To think I'll be with you, to test all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for.
But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
It's been so long since I've heard a sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? I need reassuring. Those do have been storing up in my mind. Yes. When I get home, what will I find?
Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long.
Tira na. So when in home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
It's been so long since I'd heard that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part?
My love, why ever did we part? Thank you, Papa.
Thank you.